here is a question. When the market is in downward trend, is it still safe to trust on AI signals? In today's live session, I am testing exactly that. 3 trades, 3 different conditions. And the result will answer the question themselves. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Zoya AI Shortcut. Today's session starts with a very clear purpose. No matter what the trend looks like, AI always chooses the direction based on real-time data, not emotions. We don't follow fear, hesitation or guesses, we follow logic, pressure, analysis and real-time AI calculations. In today's trades, you will see how accurate entries win even when the market moves against expectations. Telegram and bot link are in pinned comment, check them out and let's move into live trades. 15 seconds before the candle closes, I click Get Signal. The bot instantly gives a sell signal for USD EGP OTC. I search the pair on Quotex and place a 1-minute sell trade. Right after the entry, seller pressure becomes very clear. The candle moves downward cleanly and closes red. A short first win. Perfect timing and perfect confirmation. Exactly what AI is designed for. The next signal is NZD USD OTC buy side. I place a buy trade immediately. After the entry, the candle held for a moment and then buyer took control. The pressure shift is perfectly detected by the AI and the candle closed clean green. Another short win. You could clearly see the signal logic unfolding inside the candle momentum. The third signal is GBP NZD OTC buy side. I take the buy entry, but the market is in downward trend and the first trade closes in loss. But because the AI signal is fully confirmed and a reversal is expected, I follow the MTG plan and place a 2x recovery trade on the next candle. This time the buyer stepped in, the reversal kicked in exactly as predicted and the MTG trade closed green, a clean recovery win. This proves one thing, trend can miss, but AI logic reads deeper data. Today's 3 trades, USD EGP sell, NZD USD buy and GBP NZD buy with MTG recovery all prove the same point. When decisions are made through logic, not from fear, accuracy naturally follows. The Zoya AI short bot studies pressure, momentum shifts, and candle reaction in real time. It pushes a signal only when the direction is genuinely stable, which is why even a losing first entry turned into a clean MTG win. Telegram and bot link are in pinned comment, check them out and I will see you in the next session with more stability, more accuracy and more live results.